Okay, here's a look at the market through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader for Wednesday, May the 19th, 2010. Going into today, we had mentioned that either the 17 or the 22 area has likely resistance. Um, the market at 18.25 overnight, and in the day session it hit up to 22.75. So that area of resistance held very nicely. By the way, these are market profiles we're looking at. This is today's market and volume profile for the regular trading session hours only. Same here for the overnight session, and this is what occurred yesterday. So um, the market moved also down to the next known area of that we were anticipating as support, which was down at 98, and the market came down there and hit 98.75. So traded very nicely between our barriers of support and resistance today. We're looking at similar tomorrow, except we've reduced that a little bit to approximately 1119 down to 1102 as an area that the market will likely stay within. If it should break either above or below those numbers, then we would look to be more in a go-with kind of situation. We also like to take a look at the market profiles during the regular trading hours only. In other words, these are the volume and market profiles from the day session, regular trading hours only, from 9:30 a.m. to 4:15 New York time. So you can see here, this is today's profile. You can see how the market has come down, although certainly, even though it did sell off and produce lower prices, it really didn't do it in all that convincing manner. The market may be in a phase of trying to bottom here on a swing term basis. Here's our software here, and we had the market's very volatile right now. We have um, um, we actually had a trade up in here that was not taken. We did take this trade here. We were stopped out on. Then we had two other short trades here. One that worked out, hitting our first two objectives. The other one we were stopped out on. So we only ended up with three trades today. Unfortunately, we're stopped out twice. So the other trades here you can see, unfortunately, we had a gray filter here. When this, you can see that there was a long trade triggered right here. You can see the dashed blue line right here. So when the market came down and hit that price, you can see it rallied for, about 12 points or something like that. But no, sorry, not that much. 7 points. But unfortunately, we weren't quite into the green filter. We were still in the neutral filter there. This first trade up here was not taken. It was a long trade, and the reason being, of course, is that we had mentioned that the 22 area was a major resistance area. So this is the one time when we know we're in a swing down auction, and we have a buy setup that's triggered also just below a known resistance barrier. We don't take those trades. So those are known well ahead of time. So that's why there was no long trade taken, even though you can see that there is indication for a long trade right here. Oops, you can see there's the blue arrow right there. So we did take this trade, we did take this trade, we did take this trade, and that was it. Although what we're really looking at is how the market reacts at these known barriers. We did have a very nice rejection here. We had one of our buying patches here. So a lot of our traders would have gotten long here and gone ahead and taken this trade, even though it was in the neutral filter, and be able to participate in that really nice up move that occurred right after the entry just came down and just got us into that trade very nicely. So any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader.com. Always enjoy hearing your questions and comments. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.